let Chops eat first. He might be very hungry.
Anky here now. Giga's attacking the
Yeah, that's pretty cool.
okay.
Did those guys really think that they can, like, kill us with a Carno, Crash Adult, and a Juvi Stagger?
Yeah, maybe.
What the hell is happening to my screen? What the fuck?
Did your screen go vroom?
So as soon as I engage the Spino, I lag like shit.
No. That's new.
Yeah. I shouldn't have lost that fight.
Is it because you're like white?
Oh, like it's like freaking lagging like crazy.
Oh,
Like somehow I was being pushed. That's what it looked like on my screen.
Oh, it's ping then. It's ping. It could even be the server or your internet.
I have pretty good internet. That was some bullshit.
It could just be the server.
Like, there's no way a fucking Spino wrecks a Maya, a Giga, and a Rex.
What did it really get them?
Yeah. I lost my Rex.